University of Wisconsin-Madison. I'm looking at my notes. They used SolidWorks, built-in reverse engineering techniques, parametric models, optimization solver, very calculation intensive.
What I want to do is I want to just first make a parametric part, just like pretty simple in SolidWorks. But what you can do in SolidWorks is you can import sketches like this, and you can just trace things really close. And then once the parameters are close, you can overlay the 3D sketch and start really dialing in everything else.
What University of Wisconsin did is they did an automated take on the interpretation of the data, which I think is where the whole industry needs to go, because they had a solver. So it's almost like using FEA and an AI to figure out and match up the results of that.
You know, obviously we wanted to produce quality results, and I think we did. I think we're happy with the product we had. I'd definitely apply for a challenge like this again. It was a great way to kind of push our skills to the limit and see if we couldn't come up with newer and better ways to get stuff done.
University of Wisconsin at Madison. You guys brought in some really novel reverse engineering techniques, and we had a challenge specifically targeting that. So curious to hear, did we challenge you enough with this competition, or should we go even bigger next time?
Thank you, Dr. Roper. It's an honor to be here. Yeah, we were definitely challenged. We had a full range of parts going from simple to advanced. And as long as you're offering that range, push as far as you can. Give us the biggest challenge we can find.
Well, I want to say, we kept these awards a secret because we really wanted people to be focused on our mission, which was being able to make the parts we needed and the way we need them in a way that we can certify. But we are big, big fans of creative outside the box thinkers. And both of your teams really brought some great ideas that are going to have us thinking. And I don't want to speak for my entire team ahead of talking with them, but I am very confident we're going to be coming back another year with bigger and better challenges. And we hope that we'll see both of your teams back to inspire us with the new tech that you bring. Thank you so much on behalf of the Air Force and Space Force for being our innovation rock stars for the first AMO.
Thank you. We'll definitely be back.
Cool. Well, look, innovation and thinking outside the box, that's one thing that we wanted to